Is it not kind of looking like Sofritas? Like, oh my gosh, yes. Ah! What are you doing? Hello, YouTube. Welcome back to my channel. This is another not fan favorite, Betty favorite, because it involved food, and it's all about my favorite vegan lunches that I have pretty much every week, every other week, a lot, because they're super easy. I usually have the ingredients on hand because it's really minimal ingredients and just so delicious. I also realized that I pretty much wear this sweater and just all the time. I promise I have other clothes. I'm a very lazy person. Anyways, let me know if you guys try any of these recipes or if you want me to do more recipe-like food videos, because they're honestly my favorite to make because I love eating. And I actually recently found a new lunch / dinner that I love. It's a Nourish Bowl. It's so good. It's so filling. It's so healthy for you. And I'm going to be filming that for my next video. So hope you guys enjoy. So today for lunch, I'm going to be making my homemade Sofritas. So if you guys don't know, Chipotle has this awesome vegan vegetarian alternative called Sofritas, and it's made out of tofu. And I just like to make a homemade version just because it's cheaper, and why not, right? So I have quinoa cooking right now in my rice cooker. I like to have it with quinoa. You could have it with rice, brown rice, whatever, but I like to have mine with quinoa. I just have soft tofu. I've used firm tofu, extra firm tofu. I think it's just a preference, or you know, whatever your store has. So I'm just gonna go ahead and drain this. You're gonna want one medium onion, where I will probably start crying. So I'm literally just taking my block and I just like push it through my fingers, which might feel weird to some people and look gross, but I expect it. So this is what you're looking at. It's really just like crumbled up. You want to get it in like a ground tofu texture, I guess. Is what she's looking like, but is it not kind of looking like Sofritas? Like, oh my gosh, yes. Now for myself. Why is it so hard to open right now? Okay. I wish you guys smell this. Woo! Today for lunch, I'm going to be making rice paper tofu spring rolls. So I love making spring rolls because they're super easy and you can throw any vegetable or whatever you want inside of it. So I'm just going to chop up these veggies and assemble everything. We'll be good to go. just took a bite with the sauce. So good, so refreshing. So today I'm gonna make a really easy chickpea curry. Let's get started. I just cut myself. What am I doing? Why am I struggling right now? Right, let's start cutting. Just a little bit of water. I'm just gonna get all the juices out. So now that everything's all combined, I'm gonna cover it and leave it on medium high and cook for 15 minutes. So I'll see you in 15 minutes. This is the final product. So today for lunch, I'm going to be making my vegetable fried rice. I put fried in quotes because it's oil-free, so it's super healthy, and I make it with quinoa instead of rice. And the vegetables I'm going to be using are broccoli, zucchini, bell pepper, and onion, and spinach. But of course, use whatever you want. It's essentially the same. So let's get chopping. Bite. It smells so good. Hello, this is Editing Betty. So for my last video, it's a pesto pasta with homemade vegan pesto, and I filmed it and I hated the video quality and I hated the way I filmed the video. This is the first food video that I recorded a while ago, so I decided to nix it. I'm still including the recipe, but yeah, just know I'm not showing any of the steps, but the pesto is really, really good. I make it about once a week or every other week because it's just like so yummy and so easy to have on hand. And it's a lot healthier than all the other pestos that I've had. And I like making my own pesto because pesto is really expensive and ain't nobody got the money for that. Anyways, here are the ingredients. that's a wrap on this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe because I post new videos every single week, and it's just a really fun way for me to spend my free time during this time. Okay, bye.